Canva, every single real estate agent's best friend. And I'm sure almost every realtor that's watching this video has used Canva and has a membership to it, but it recently just got way better with all the AI tools that it recently launched, and it's making your life as a real estate agent way better and way easier to produce the content that you're looking to do. Canva has launched a feature called Magic Studio where it hosts all the AI tools into one area. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. I'm going to be showing you exactly all the AI tools that Canva has recently put into its platform, just because I know this is the go-to application that most realtors use in order for making content and editing their content. The new features that Canva has for AI has been a game changer for listing photos, making presentation, doing your social media posts. It's been huge, and my business has personally experienced massive gains from using these tools. So I just want to share it with everyone else. If you want to actually start learning AI skills today so you can get ahead of every other real estate agent and start being able to spend more time with your family and also making more money and netting more money because you don't need a bunch of employees to use this stuff anymore, go to the description. I got a course that's really easy for everyone to use that shows you step by step on how you can implement all the AI tools that I've used to personally see massive growth in my business. This year, real estate sales continue to go down, but for my team, adopting artificial intelligence has caused our sales to go up. And inside those courses, I've showed the exact blueprint that the Facebook ads that AI designed for our team that has allowed us to make massive returns. So you're going to want to check it out. So let's go some of the best features of the Magic Studio that Canva has recently unrolled. First is going to be Magic Design. This is going to be for presentations and videos. You got Magic Write, you got Magic Switch, you got Magic Animate, and you got Magic Morph. So Magic Media combines text to image and text to video capabilities. So now you can just simply put in what you're looking for and it will design you an image or a video specifically to what you prompt it to do. So no longer do you have to search through all the templates and keep going through in order to find what you want. It will generate an image based off of what you prompt it to do. Magic Grab allows you to manipulate photo subjects, enhancing the creativity and reducing the time. I don't know how many times I've taken a picture and been like, oh, I wish I could just move that person a little bit. You're now able to do that with Magic Grab. Magic Design is huge for the people that want to design some really good presentations or for listing presentations or for first-time home buyers or whatever you do to present to your clients. You now can go into Magic Design, give it prompts, and it can make a custom tailor presentation specifically to what you're looking to do. So the biggest thing people need to realize, in order to use these effectively, you do need to be able to prompt no matter what application you're using in the right sequence and give it the right information so it can produce what you want. And this can seem a little overwhelming and people don't exactly know how to do the prompting. So inside my course, I show people exactly the prompts that you need to use and how you can have artificial intelligence understand better what you're trying to get it to do. So go in the description, go to the link there, and go to my course if you're someone that wants to be on the leading edge of AI and see how massively it can be a game changer for your real estate business. Me personally, I think one of the biggest tools that Canva's came out with the AI application is, haven't you ever wished that you could remove certain things? I know the other day we had a listing and I told the person, hey, make sure your vehicle's out of there, and I wasn't able to be there for the photos because we were so busy. We got a lot of deals and a lot of things on the go, and when I got all the photos in return, the car was still in the driveway, and I'm like, oh, okay, darn photographer, like, are you gonna be able to edit this? But it was a really quick turnaround in order to get the photos live. I went into Canva, I used the magic eraser tool, I was able to eliminate the car and move on. But then I can do that in other things. Say when we go into the laundry room and they got the Tide Pods sitting right there on the washing machine, we can now erase all that stuff using these AI tools in Canva. So it is a massive help. And even though we tell our clients to declutter, to remove all family photos, to do this, to that, you can now use Canva in order to eliminate all this so you can show the houses better than anyone else on the internet. What's the rule of thumb? 95% of buyers start their search online, and if you want to sell more listings, your images and pictures better be top notch. And that's how you actually get into being a top listing agent, is having the best online presentation of your listing package. So if you're someone that wants to see exactly how to get more listings using AI and how to take your Canva tools to the next level, you're going to want to go to the link down below and sign up for my course that's going to show you everything that I talked about here today, but you're actually going to follow along and be able to implement it step by step, seeing first case how AI can change your business as a real estate agent.